Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Acer 16 how to update your driver. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Updating your drivers on the Acer Nitro 16 ensures better performance, stability and compatibility with the latest software. So the first thing that you can do is head over and open up your start menu, then open up your settings. Now once you are here, select Windows Update. Now inside here what you need to do is check for driver updates and install them. Then once installed, restart your laptop. Then the second method is heading over and opening up your browser, and then on the search bar simply type in Acer support and then click on the first link that is shown to you. Now once you are here, what you need to do is select drivers and manuals. Now once you are here, enter your serial or SNID or model number, then download the latest drivers for chipset, graphics card, keyboard, audio and network, and BIOS if needed. Then run the downloaded exe files and follow the installation instructions, then restart your laptop. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.